Hello, and welcome to REGO-FIX TechChat. My name is David McHenry. I'm the Engineering and Technical Manager here at REGO-FIX USA. Today, we're going to talk about a new product that we have available. It's called the QuickFlex for Power Grip Tool Holding System. QuickFlex is a WTO quick change tooling system that they've had out for years. We have recently gone into an agreement with them to manufacture Power Grip versions of their QuickFlex. Let's take a few moments and take a look. The QuickFlex tooling system is a quick change system for WTO live heads. It has an ER-based back end, it has a special proprietary thread and nut design, and then REGO-FIX is now manufacturing PG outputs for the QuickFlex. PG-15 or PG-25 units are available, and they are available for the QuickFlex 25, 32, or 40 series adapters. They mount the same way standard QuickFlex tools do. Slide it into the head, tighten the nut accordingly, and the adapter is properly mounted once it's torqued to the proper spec. Well, let's go into what it looks like to put a Power Grip tool holder or Power Grip nose and collet into this system. The new QuickFlex adapters required a slight modification or change to standard Power Grip collets. Here is a standard PG-15 collet. You can see how long it is. When I put it next to the adapter, you can see it would go down very deep into the tool holder. This would cause interference problems and probably some deformation on this mating surface. Wouldn't give us the best run out or clamping force possible for this type of an adapter. So, PG-15 and PG-25 short tail collets were designed. These collets are roughly 10 millimeters shorter than a standard collet. You can see right here, nice and easily here, how much shorter it is. This shorter length allows a very, very short nose on the end of the QuickFlex adapter. It allows it to be used in a standard Power Grip press or hand pump. And it allows it to be used with most standard metric or inch sizes. Let's take a moment. Let's go over to a Power Grip machine. Let's press one in. Here we have a standard Power Grip PGU 9500. Well, maybe not standard. This one happens to have a special wrap theme on it with the US flag. We can talk about that in a later video though. So PGU 9500 in the open position. I have a PG-15 die already in the press. Here I have the QuickFlex adapter. Slide it in, close the door, and press the button. Just like our standard Power Grip collets, it takes less than 10 seconds to press in the entire collet. I am now ready to assemble this into my WTO live head and start machining. Well, of course, if I had a cutting tool in it. Thank you for joining us today on TechChat. We look forward to seeing you again.